Let's take you back to that moment, the moment when ADA climbed $3. It was on a Thursday. Cardano ADA surged to new all-time highs as an altcoin comeback gripped the cryptocurrency market. Having shown strength for multiple weeks, Cardano benefited from the broader altcoin resurgence after attempting to hit the $3 mark throughout the second half of August of 2021. This breakout happened in 2021, but now we're in 2024. What is happening now? The move in 2021 coincided with the launch of the Cardano Alonso testnet ahead of the mainnet debut. Ethereum had begun the upward move for altcoins. Bitcoin cooled around $47,000. As the Bitcoin USD began to follow suit, a snowball effect appeared to enter the market, with all but 3 of the top 50 crypto tokens in the green for the day. A crypto expert, Michael van de Poppe, said, "We're entering the second phase of this super bull cycle, and I like it. Enjoy it." According to the report, the foundations appeared to be in place for renewed strength in Bitcoin and altcoins, the former on-chain metrics and fundamentals firmly bullish. After the digital currency managed to reach the new record, several market observers weighed in on where it might go next. Back there were pretty conversations and predictions about Cardano ADA. The responses were quite varied, as analysts offered a range of levels that traders should watch. An expert noted, ADA has been one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in the top market capitalization. It is one of the few that isn't directly following Bitcoin's trend of struggling to attain fresh highs. Based on the history of the ADA USD price action, we could expect it to at least reach $3.24 within its current uptrend. The expert further emphasized that every time ADA reached a local low, it bounced back and climbed by more or less the same amount or the same distance from the bottom. This pattern has repeated itself several times in the past. While history doesn't exactly repeat itself, it often rhymes. At the time, the crypto market has been in a bullish trend for over the past year, despite the slight correction experienced over the summer. Despite the impressive performance displayed by the broader cryptocurrency market, some analysts believe that a super bull cycle was imminent. It was believed that the cycle could see the prices of most cryptocurrencies double or triple over the next few months. The expert, Michael van de Poppe, was confident that the prices of cryptocurrencies could continue to rally over the coming months. However, soon enough, the hype died down. The predictions fell like leaves from a tree. The plans, projections, and analysis fell through. However, guess what? Cardano's explosive moves could start from now. The energy and excitement of the crypto market are back. The latest upswing in the world's largest cryptocurrency has been warmly welcomed by the cryptocurrency community. Yet no one is celebrating more than the longtime Bitcoin bulls, especially Michael Saylor, the man behind the company that holds the title of the world's largest corporate investor in Bitcoin. On Monday, Bitcoin's price touched a new record high of $72,910 as its meteoric rise showed no signs of stopping. As a result, Bitcoin, by far the largest crypto asset, has won back investor attention following the approval of nearly a dozen fresh spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds earlier in the year, and optimism that the Federal Reserve may soon begin lowering interest rates. Investment in the top 10 US spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds saw a slight dip in a 2-week low in the week leading up to March 8th, yet it still amassed nearly $2 billion according to LSEG data. Bitcoin has kicked off the week on a high note, pulling the entire crypto market up along with it. A strategist at DailyFX, Nick Cowley, said, "With Bitcoin's supply capped at 21 million coins, investors are scrambling to join the ongoing bull run before April's halving event, which is set to further constrict supply. This event, occurring every 4 years, slashes the rate of new coins entering the market and rewards for mining them in half, historically giving Bitcoin's price a boost. Also, the Bitcoin price surge to a new all-time high came just after MicroStrategy, an enterprise software maker founded by Michael Saylor, made another significant investment in the flagship cryptocurrency. According to the filings with the SEC, the company purchased 12,000 Bitcoin tokens for $821.7 million. This marked its second largest buy since it started investing in the crypto coin nearly 4 years ago. Saylor has been a longtime Bitcoin bull, and he commented as the cryptocurrency notched its 4th record all-time high in a week. "It's going to eat gold, it's got all the greatest attributes of gold, and it's got none of the defects," Saylor said in an interview with CNBC's Squawk Box. He made the comments as Bitcoin crossed $72,000, reaching a new all-time high. Its market value is now $1.4 trillion, whereas gold is $14.6 trillion. The cryptocurrency price hike took it past silver though, which has a market cap of $1.3 trillion. Plus, Michael Saylor didn't provide a timeline as to when he thinks that Bitcoin would topple gold from the top spot, but back in 2022, he predicted that it would happen sometime this decade. He made the calculation that based off the idea that Bitcoin would surge to $500,000 a coin. In the heat of Saylor's excitement about Bitcoin's new price, he got a lot of attention. Music superstar Drake, with over 146 million followers on Instagram, treated them to an education on Bitcoin from Michael Saylor. It was a clip taken from an interview Saylor did with CNBC's Andrew Ross Sorkin. Michael Saylor on Bitcoin, Drake's caption read, Known as a fan of Bitcoin, Drake previously posted an image of a diamond-encrusted Ledger hardware wallet to his Instagram account in 2022. The Canadian rapper walked away with $381,000 in Bitcoin after betting on the Los Angeles Rams to beat the Cincinnati Bengals in Super Bowl LVI earlier that same year. While other celebrities endorsed cryptocurrency companies like FTX and Crypto.com, Drake appeared to be focused on the #1 digital asset by market capitalization. After he posted the clip, a user commented, "Michael Saylor is not the hero we deserve, but the hero we needed. Forever grateful to him." Furthermore, according to the analyst, Bitcoin's latest rally, which has brought the cryptocurrency price close to a new record level, could make history very soon. In all previous cycles, new all-time highs occurred after the halving event, which means that if Bitcoin were to break $69,000 before April 20th, it would be the first time in Bitcoin's history that a new all-time high was set before the halving. Brett Munster, portfolio manager for Blockforce Capital, said through emailed comments. He made these statements the same day the cryptocurrency reached $67,542, bringing it roughly 2% away from hitting its all-time high of approximately $68,900, which it attained in late 2021. Munster noted, "The cycle's recovery and bull run appears to be happening quicker than in previous years. We believe that speaks to the growing adoption and conviction of Bitcoin holders in the marketplace." Moreover, while the digital currency has experienced some rather compelling gains in recent weeks, it is important to maintain a cautionary view of this sharp price appreciation, with an emphasis on the pullbacks the digital currency experienced during the previous bull runs. There will be more corrections because nothing like Bitcoin's advance lasts forever. The crypto industry even exudes volatility. However, for those who are here for the pumps and the highs of the bull market, which might end in 2025, it is important to buy and hold. But where is Cardano's place in this explosive momentum? Recently, crypto analyst Ali Martinez posted that Cardano ADA might reach $10, echoing the cryptocurrency's past bullish trends. With the total market cap of cryptocurrencies revisiting the $2.5 trillion mark, a level last seen in 2021, Cardano, despite its lagging performance, is showing signs of potential explosive growth. But as usual, is the $10 target overly optimistic? Or is it actually realistic? According to Martinez, ADA appears to be replicating its prior bullish cycle. This suggests that it will make a minor correction before its value skyrockets. Martinez's prediction is supported by Cardano's recent breakout, which mirrors a pattern from 2019 and 2020 that preceded a rally to $3.10 in 2021. Several analysts have expressed optimism, suggesting that Cardano ADA is poised for a bullish market surge in the near term. The ADA coin price has been increasing lately too. ADA recently went on an impressive spike on the last day of February, registering a 14% gain to push its price above 70 cents for the first time since May of 2022. Despite these gains, there have been concerns from some investors of ADA potentially falling behind its performance relative to Bitcoin in the last bull cycle. However, Dan Gambardella cleared the fears, addressing some of the concerns in a video posted on X. He mentioned that Cardano is currently within a typical trend and that a bullish indicator, which is expected to welcome a parabolic price spike, will soon be triggered. ADA seems ready, but are you ready? Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.